Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. So you've been sued by a debt collector, and as we've talked about in other videos, if you show up to trial, which you need to unless you have a lawyer, then usually the judge will sort of motion to you and to the collection lawyer and say, hey, you guys feel free to talk out in the hallway. And so what I want to answer in this question or this video is the question, should you talk to the lawyer in the hallway? I mean, be prepared for it, understand that's what will happen. But should you do it? And my answer is, sure, why not? It doesn't hurt to talk, or more importantly, sort of less talking and more listening, okay? What does this lawyer have to say? This lawyer may say, look, here's the evidence we have, or here's a deal we'll propose, or, I don't think you have anything. And you have to decide whether or not to talk to a lawyer and kind of argue with the lawyer a little bit. But, if you do, I have known of instances where the consumer says, how are you going to prove you own the debt? And finally, the lawyer kind of looks around and says, I can't. You know what? Let me just go in there and dismiss the case with prejudice. Or, I don't want to waste time. We'll just tell the judge to enter a judgment for defendant, that's you, the consumer, after a trial, even though there's really not a trial. So there's no harm in listening. Now, if you know that you're the type of person that maybe if somebody starts being persuasive, you're just carried away with that, okay, then you may not want to, okay? It's sort of like, if I have no willpower with sweets, well, I may not want to be around sweets, okay? Because I'm going to eat all of it, okay? So we have to know that about ourselves. And if you say, I'm kind of gullible or easy to persuade, or, I'm just really nervous about talking to a lawyer out in the hallway, well, then don't do it, okay? Every judge I've ever known, and I've seen this, 100 times, judge says, now you're welcome to talk, but you don't have to, okay? And they're not going to hold it against you if you don't go talk to that lawyer in the hallway. At least where I practice, they won't. So I hope that that's helpful, and I appreciate you guys watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.